What do you learn about French people's love for dogs? You tell French dog. City of France is. You tell. Congratulations, that's the correct answer. France is Paris. The famous mountain in France. Name the famous mountain in France.
The famous mountain in France is Mont Blanc.
Congratulations, that's the correct answer. The correct answer. Au revoir means hello or goodbye.
Can you please repeat?
Au revoir means hello or goodbye. Goodbye. Congratulations, that's the correct answer.
Which is the correct answer?
Repeat the correct answer.
The correct answer is goodbye. Name the famous cathedral shown in the video. Name the famous cathedral shown in the video.
Cathedral.
Cathedral.
Anyone here?
Name the famous cathedral shown in the video. That's the wrong answer. Try hard next time. Good answer. That's the wrong answer.
Notre Dame.
Notre Dame. That's the correct answer. Thank you.
Name the cathedral again. Tell me. What is the right name of the
Name the famous cathedral shown in the video.
Now tell the answer. Correct answer.
The answer is Notre Dame.
Notre Dame.
Notre Dame. Dame. Thank you. You are participating in this activity. France, a country known for its rich cultural heritage and iconic landmarks such as Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and
Slow,
the Palace
slow,
of
slow.
Versailles.
Speak slowly.
France has a very rich and varied dance tradition, and almost every region of France has its own distinct form of music and dance. Very dance tradition. Almost every region of France has its own distinct form of music and dance, drawing inspiration from this cultural treasure. We, the students of class 4A, have nightly practiced a French song that captures the essence of this beautiful land. So without further ado, let's take you to a musical journey to France. ਗਾਏਗੇ। ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਭੁੱਲ, ਇਹੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਰੰਗੀਨ ਫੁੱਲ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਂਝਾ, ਕੋਈ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾ ਨਵੇਂ ਵਾਂਝਾ। ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ, ਸਭ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਮੋਹਣਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ
ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਂਝਾ, ਕੋਈ ਦੇਸ਼ ਚ ਰਲਿਆ ਵਾਂਝਾ। ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ, ਸਭ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਮੋਹਣਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤਾਜ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਮਾਂਝਾ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। Today's assembly, let's remember that learning about another culture enhances respect and empathy for other people. Thank you all for being a part of this special assembly dedicated to French Day. Now I would request our worthy principal ma'am to say a few words, as listening to her is always very inspiring.
So today we celebrated the country. Which country did we celebrate? So France was the country, and what's the language this week? French. Absolutely correct. Okay. So why we need to learn about the culture and the language of the other country? Anybody who can give me the answer? Why do you want to learn? Okay. Tell me.
When we became elder and we want to go out foreign to study, so we have to know their language.
Okay, that's a good answer. What about you? Why we have to learn about different culture and the language of other country? Speak. I can hear you from there.
Learn the language, so when we want to say something to others, we have to share the feelings.
Only that is the reason, or there is some other reason? I want to listen to something else.
It increases the respect for other countries.
Yes, absolutely. In India also there are so many languages. When you go from north to south, do you learn that language? No, but you respect, right? When from Chandigarh you go to Tamil Nadu, the language is Tamil, right? In Kerala the language is Malayalam. Do you always remember that? No, you don't know how to speak. So, but what you do is respect the place, people, and the language they speak. Okay, always remember that. And there is always a scope for learning. The more languages you know, the more conversation can happen with the people you go and visit, right? So it was a very nice assembly, class 4A. A big round of applause. Very nice assembly. And keep learning languages. All of you keep learning new languages. Always remember, it always helps. Okay? So thank you so much. Thank you, Sarika ma'am. So ma'am will also speak something nice about how the assembly was.
Thank you, ma'am. Alright, so children, any one of you can just come here who knows what was the meaning of the song that you sang. Come. Yeah, Neha, you can also come. Let me speak first. Just tell what was the meaning of the song that you sang.
The song
Come, sing on some.
that we have to learn the Como Sava, right?
Yes.
That we have to learn Como Sava
Yes.
because we have to learn
The French.
the French song because it is good for learning and new things,
New culture.
new culture and new language.
Very good. Very good. Children, I always feel that your appreciation is always less. So when you're on that side, you must always appreciate.
France is India's friend.
Yeah, that is sure.
Como sava, kumsi kumsi kumsa is that how are you, and somebody is responding I am okay.
Yeah. So we are just like we're standing here, we're just learning a little. So what was the word that we learned for saying hello? What was the name? It's not bonjour, it's bonjour. How do you say? Bonjour. And what was when you say goodbye? Au revoir. And the song that we learned. So Comme Sava. What is Comme Sava? How are you? So if you are here, let's learn few things. Say all of you say Comme Sava. What is Comme Sava? How are you? What will you say in French? Comme Sava. And you say Comme si comme ça. What is the word? Comme si comme ça. That means I am just okay. Okay. So what's the word? Comme ça va? How are you? And comme si, comme ça. Children, like ma'am said, it's not important that we have to go to France only, then we have to learn the language, or we should know about any culture for that matter. Because if we know about more cultures, we can actually appreciate that across the world we have same values. Understand? Whether we go to America, whether we go to China, Japan or France, the values stay the same. And what are those values? Honesty, truth. Will they change with countries? No. That is why we need to learn about the other culture. But there are certain traditions that we just heard. There were few funny traditions that trans people follow. What was one of them?
We never put the God upside down.
You never put your?
God upside down.
Yes.
Ma'am, he's trying to say that if you put a bucket upside down, it means it's a
Bucket.
bucket.
Yes. So they could actually explain you. So they never put their bucket upside down.
Ma'am, it's bucket.
But bagge is your this thing. That's a bread. Bagge is a bread. So there are different kinds of breads. Like we said, every day you can have, almost every day of the year you can have a different type of cheese. So they didn't name, but you can find out there are so many, and there's so many kinds of breads also. Like one of them is bagge, and there was one that they were eating. That is a croissant. And chocolat, of course, you are having. Then you have focaccia, you have so many others. You can, yes. Multigrain is the ingredient, but they have names for their breads. Yes? Yes. So children, whenever you come for the assembly, the main idea is to learn at least 5 things when you go out of this hall. So did you learn 5 things today? Let's repeat. What is the capital of France? Great. What was the name of the cathedral? Notre Dame. You have to repeat. What was the name of the cathedral in France? Notre Dame. And there was one palace, very famous palace we visited. Yes. There was a palace that we visited, the palace of? Yes. So that is the palace of Versailles. Yes, what you were saying just now? What is the country is identified with one monument, or you can say a structure? Yes, that's the Eiffel Tower. What is that structure? Can you see the Eiffel Tower somewhere here?
Yes.
Where is it? So that is known as that is the structure depicting Eiffel Tower of Paris. So I think when we go out, we should learn something. And then what was that? How are you? Comme ça va. And then how did you say? Okay. Komsi, Komsa. So just remember, alright? Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, children.
All students whose birthday falls in this week, that is from 14th July to 20th July, please come up on the stage. Everyone, my name is Sanaya. I am from class 3C. My birthday falls on 17th July. My name is Ismaila and my birthday falls on 16th July. My name is Gurpreet and my birthday falls on 20th July. My name is Manas and my birthday falls on 18th July. My name is Nishal Soni and my birthday falls on 18th July. My name is Amira Singh. My birthday falls on July 22. My name is Ravi Singh. My birthday is today. My name is Abhinka. My birthday falls on 19th.
Harshveer, come this side. Harshveer, please come this side.
My name is Mansatila. I'm from class 5 and my birthday falls on 21st July.
Give it to Harshveer.
My name is Ajmer. My birthday is the 31st July.
Harshveer, stand.
Some of our students have won the prizes in the competitions. Ma'am, please, the honors. Chandigarh Football League. Congratulations to ma'am. Next we have Virat Singh Chima. He secured individual award of Emerging Player in CFL against Chandigarh Football League. Now we have Armanpreet Singh from 5B. He has secured third position in Academy Ranking Tournament held at Match Point Lawn Tennis Academy on 23rd, 24th and 25th May 2025 at Millennium School Phase 5. A big round of applause for all the achievers. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. One step down. That's it.